Welcome to the quick tutorial of pviapins.com. pviapins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go pviapins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account, if not just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the create account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. Let's see how to create an Airbnb account with Albanian virtual phone number without any difficulty via pviapins. First we have to visit Airbnb.com. Click the three-dot menu and enter the sign up option. Now select the country. Today we select Albania. Need an Albanian phone number to create an Airbnb account. Now return to pviapins and search the country. Select the country. Type Airbnb in the search box. We will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. A phone number of the selected country will be shown here. Copy this number and paste it here and click the continue button. If it needs verification, don't worry, the verification code will be shown here. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. You are almost done. Let's enjoy your journey with pviapins. Stay tuned for more updates.